Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to put stickers on your photos in your iPhone 17 Pro. So firstly, open the photos, and here in the photos you have to search for the photo you want to add sticker on. For example, I want to add my stickers on this photo. Tap these three lines at the bottom of your screen, and here, as you can see, we have a lot of options: filter, crop, adjust, or clean up, or something like that. Here you have to tap this pen icon over here, and now as you can see we have markup. Tap this plus at the bottom right corner of your screen, and now as you can see we have image description, add sticker, add text, add signature, etc. Tap on the add sticker, and now you can add your favorite sticker on your photo. To confirm, tap this tick icon, tap done, and that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!